Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering the essentials: your primary phone, any backup codes, and the last password you remember. Once ready, open the Google account sign-in page and choose the account. When prompted for two-step verification, pick Try Another Way or I don't have my phone to reveal alternate options. Make sure to select a backup method you prepared, backup codes, an authenticator app, or a trusted device, because this unlocks the next set of recovery flows. Next, use the alternate verification path you prepared. If you have backup codes, enter one exactly as shown. They are single-use, so mark it used. If you use an authenticator app, open it and type the 6-digit code immediately. Codes refresh, so speed matters. If you own a trusted device, tap Approve on its notification. This bypasses codes. If all else fails, request a text or voice one-time passcode to your recovery phone and enter it to advance. Finish by completing the account recovery steps and resetting your two-step verification. When prompted, fill the recovery form with details like account creation month, frequently contacted people, and previous passwords. These prove ownership. Once verified, set a new primary phone, reconfigure your authenticator app, and generate fresh backup codes stored offline. If the request is denied, wait 48 to 72 hours and retry from a known device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.